Here's the uncomfortable truth about becoming a lawyer right now. It is no longer enough to know the law. And honestly, it may not even be enough to know how to write a good memo. The legal profession is changing in two directions at the same time. On one side, artificial intelligence is getting good enough to explain legal concepts, summarize doctrine, draft practice answers, and even simulate parts of legal training. On the other side, courts are making it very clear that if a lawyer uses AI carelessly, if they cite a fake case, rely on a hallucinated authority, or outsource judgment, the consequences can be serious. So the question for law students and young lawyers is not, should I use AI or avoid AI? The real question is, how do I become the kind of lawyer who can use powerful tools without losing the core skills that make me trustworthy in front of a judge, a client, or a jury? Recent legal education news points to a major shift. The new next-gen bar exam launches in July 2026, and it is designed to be more skills-based than the old version. It puts more emphasis on practical legal tasks, reading materials, applying rules, analyzing facts, and producing usable work under time pressure. That matters because it reflects something the profession already knows. Real lawyering is not just issue spotting in a vacuum. Real lawyering is judgment under pressure. It is listening carefully. It is choosing what matters. It is answering the question you were actually asked. It is adapting when a judge interrupts you. It is keeping your credibility when opposing counsel presses you. It is knowing when to concede a weak point so your stronger point survives. That cannot be learned by passively rereading outlines. It has to be practiced. At the same time, AI is becoming a serious part of legal education. A recent Stanford law study reportedly found that law professors preferred AI-generated answers to common first-year contracts questions over professor-written answers 75% of the time. That is a big deal. It suggests that AI can be a useful tutor. It can give instant explanations. It can help students understand doctrine faster. It can give feedback when office hours are over and classmates are unavailable. But here is the catch. Being able to get an answer is not the same as being able to perform as a lawyer. A student can ask AI to explain hearsay. That does not mean the student can stand up in court and make a clean objection. A student can ask AI to summarize negligence. That does not mean the student can cross-examine a witness without accidentally opening the door to damaging testimony. A student can ask AI to draft an argument. That does not mean the student can defend that argument when a judge asks, "Counsel, where exactly is that in the record?" The future belongs to the people who can combine AI-assisted preparation with human legal performance. And this is where the cautionary news matters. Lawyers are still being sanctioned for submitting AI-generated filings with fake citations. Courts are considering rules requiring lawyers to certify that their authorities are real and accurate when generative AI is involved. That should send a very clear message to every law student. AI can help you prepare, but it cannot be your credibility. Your credibility is yours. When you stand up in court, no one cares that the chatbot sounded confident. The judge expects you to know what you filed. Your client expects you to understand the argument. Your supervising attorney expects you to check the cases. And if something is wrong, the AI gave it to me is not a defense. That means the most important legal skill of the AI era may be verification. Can you check the authority? Can you trace the rule? Can you separate a helpful suggestion from a dangerous hallucination? Can you explain the argument in your own words? Can you say, "I do not know," then find the answer the right way? Those are not old-fashioned skills. Those are future-proof skills. So what should a law student or new lawyer do differently? First, practice out loud. Do not just read your outline. Explain the rule verbally. Give a 1-minute argument. Make the objection. Respond to the judge. Summarize the facts as if a client is listening. Second, practice under friction. Real lawyering has interruptions. Witnesses ramble. Judges ask hard questions. Opposing counsel objects. Your notes are imperfect. You get nervous. If your preparation only works in perfect silence, it is not trial preparation. It is reading. Third, use AI as a sparring partner, not as a ghostwriter. Ask it to challenge your argument. Ask it to play a skeptical judge. Ask it to identify weaknesses. Ask it to generate follow-up questions. But then, verify everything and make the final judgment yourself. Fourth, build a feedback loop. Every practice round should answer 3 questions. What did I do well? Where did I lose control? What is the one thing I will improve next round? That is how skills compound. The legal profession is not becoming less human because of AI. In some ways, it is becoming more human. Because when everyone has access to fast answers, the difference will be judgment. The difference will be voice. The difference will be credibility. The difference will be whether you can stand up, think clearly, respond honestly, and advocate effectively when it counts. The new lawyer does not just know the law. The new lawyer can perform the law. And that kind of lawyer is built through practice.